Hi, Acadiana. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Happy Tuesday to you. Today, September 23rd. This is Acadiana Weather Today. A short morning chat on your upcoming weather conditions and how they're going to affect your day. Pretty sticky out here. Moisture is going to continue to pool, but we've got a front that's going to come through later this week, bring some nice changes as we head into the weekend, but some storms in between. First, I want to take a look at the sky cam here this morning. And again, we've got fair skies, so it's going to start out as a normal warm summer type morning, even though we're now in fall officially. And as far as your traffic cams, there could be some fog and some haze out there, but the roadways for the most part are dry after yesterday's showers and thunderstorms. So with that moisture still left over in the lower levels, again, some ground fog and some patchy fog and haze could be a possibility on your morning commute. Hopefully that won't be slowing you down. Temperatures for the kids at the bus stop will be rather muggy this morning, running in the mid-70s, and then scattered showers and thunderstorms are going to fire up later this afternoon. That could be a problem for the afternoon pickup time with temperatures in the upper 80s. Right now, most of the region only dropping into the low to mid-70s. Those dew points are higher. Tropical moisture coming off the Gulf waters keeps the temperatures a bit warmer during the overnight period. And we're already seeing some streamer showers come in over southeast Texas. Those will start to move across southwestern Louisiana by the mid-morning hours. In the rest of Acadiana, we'll see a better chance for showers and thunderstorms with the daytime heating in the afternoon. Next system, though, is going to be coming in from the west. We've got a lot of rain planned for parts of the mid-south today as a piece of energy kind of exits the region, but a new low is developing out over the southern Rockies. That's going to pull out into the plains, and that's the front that we're going to be talking about a little bit later on this weekend into the early part of the weekend. Some heavy downpours across the mid-south. We're going to see scattered showers and thunderstorms out there today. A few of those could be locally heavy because of the amount of moisture that's in place, and that ridge is still going to be breaking down with more of a trough digging across the Great Plains. And as that starts to move eastward, eventually that'll push the front through. We could see some big thunderstorms associated with that front Wednesday night going into early Thursday morning, and then skies will clear just in time for the weekend. Today, though, kind of a typical summer type day with widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, about a 40% risk for you today. Most of those will occur over the far western sections, and then this afternoon we'll start to push over the central and eastern parts of Acadiana. Notice there in the final frames of this loop, the new low pressure area drifting out of Colorado will start to pull into the plains, and you see storms lining up over the Arklatex tomorrow night or tomorrow morning rather, as that front starts to come on in. We will expect the front to come through probably Wednesday night into early Thursday. So ahead of that, warm and humid with temperatures in the 90s and only falling into the 70s during the overnight period. Gulf waters are nice and clear. We've got no issues out there. We've got some showers and thunderstorms over the southeastern Gulf, but nothing tropical in nature. For boaters, things will be relatively quiet with southeasterly winds today at about 5 to 10 knots and seas running about 1 to 2 feet. Remember, storms will produce higher winds and seas. The rest of the tropics, we have Hurricane Gabrielle, which is still a major Category 4 hurricane, a tropical wave near the Leeward Islands that might have a chance for some development as it moves over the northern islands toward the Bahamas, and yet another tropical wave over the central Atlantic that has a high-end chance for development. Not today, though. A couple of days from now is where we may see some additional development of both of those waves, and then we're really hoping that a deep trough that will move off the east coast of the U.S. will catch this and move it off out to sea. But there's a look at Hurricane Gabrielle, a very well-formed hurricane with Category 4 winds at 140 miles per hour at last check. It will remain a major hurricane for the rest of the day today, and at least for the early part of the day tomorrow. But the track takes it all the way over to Europe, and it could be a non-tropical low with tropical storm force winds as it approaches Spain and Portugal. And the last time we had an official tropical system make landfall over in Europe was Hurricane Vince, which was a tropical depression by the time it made it to Europe, and that was back in 2005. Computer models pretty much on track for an eastward movement, and as far as the wind speeds, gradually those will be going down as it looks like Gabrielle has peaked for now, and we'll see it dropping in its intensity as it moves into the northern Atlantic. We'll look at all the models, and of course we'll look at those other two waves on Let's Talk Tropics. That'll be live today at noon right here on Acadiana Weather Today. Your forecast up to 90 degrees, a 40% chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially this afternoon. Coastal areas will catch some of those storms during the morning, but the rest of us during the afternoon. Muggy again tonight as the storms wind down. Temperatures around 74. Clouds will gather on Wednesday. Showers and thunderstorms becoming likely, especially late in the day and the evening. And the front is forecast to come through overnight Wednesday into early Thursday. So we could still see some storms Thursday morning, and some of those may be strong or severe, and a couple could produce some locally heavy rain. But temperatures on Thursday will hold in the 80s because of the cloud cover. But then, as we go into Friday and the weekend, cooler, drier air, temperatures in the 80s with overnight lows dropping back into the 60s. Well, I hope you enjoy Acadiana weather today. If you do, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on those notifications. Remember, you can hear my forecast daily on Big 102.1, Planet Radio 106.7, and Freedom 95.1. And also on occasional days at WBRZ Channel 2. I will be there Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. If you don't catch it on your television, you can go to the link that I've got in the description below, or visit WBRZ.com for a link for the live stream. And of course, follow my social media pages on Facebook and X for the latest on the tropics, including Hurricane Gabrielle. And thanks to everyone who's already subscribed to Acadiana Weather Today right here on YouTube. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Have yourself a great Tuesday, and I'll see you for Let's Talk Tropics live at noon.